I think this is the only one temple in our Jalna city, the Nine Gods temple in Jalna.
This is the woodland shoes, but this is a copy of woodland shoes. This is not original, and I find the pure woodland.
I think this is the only one temple. And guys, when I saw this temple in inside, I think this temple is a very old. This is a very old temple, guys, because their structure are saying.
And so guys, welcome back in my vlog. So guys, now I start my vlog. And guys, now the Diwali was end, and we are continuing our journey to the finding history of Jalna. Yes, finding history of Jalna. And guys, now we are going to today the Jalna's most unique place. This place in front of people, but people don't know of that place, of what is of that place, and what of this story of history of that place. And guys, now we are fine today. And guys, now we are go there. So also guys, stay tuned in my vlog. And guys, now this side we are visit out today. And guys, now we are come of that side in this road, guys. And guys, I have this scene, guys, of full view of that side, and there is a no have any scene, matlab not perfect clearly of this full ginning, this full factory are not see in that side, guys. And guys, now we are come here and look the full area of that side. And guys, now we are visit now. And guys, now we are go to the our destination, but the problem is they are not allowed to shooting, guys. There sit the one security guard. They tell me you can't shoot or block this side. And guys, now I go to the that side. I think 8 months ago, and I shoot clearly. But this time not allowed in any person of that side, because this is the private property. That reason I can't go enter of that side, guys. And that's the reason I have any time to plan. This is my first plan, which is not done. And guys, now my second plan is I visit in our Jalna's some temples. Our Jalna has one temple. Now guys, I visit there, and that temple, the near of that side. And guys, now I will now visit up there. So stay tuned in my vlog. And guys, that side is, but the not allowed of that this time, guys, to enter of this side. And guys, now we are just enter of this temple, guys. This is a Navgraha temple. And guys, now I show you. This is temple, guys. This is a Navgraha temple, like the 9 planets temple, Navgraha. And look how is this temple. And this temple near the Mama Devi Mandir, the front of Mama Devi Mandir. This is the Mama Devi Mandir, and this is the Navgraha Mandir. And there is our Savidhan pool. And look guys, how is this temple. And guys, now we are enter of this temple. And guys, we are come on that side. We are enter here. And guys, look, here is a temple. And we are enter of this temple, guys. This is the Navagraha temple. This is the 9 gods, 9 planets, that's temple. This is a Navagraha temple, and this is the 9 gods. And look guys, how is this temple. And guys, I think this is the only one temple in our Jalna city, the 9 gods temple in Jalna. I think this is the only one temple. And guys, when I saw this temple in inside, I think this temple is a very old. This is a very old temple, guys, because their structure are saying. And I told you guys, this is a Buddhacharya, this is a Budh Graha, this is a Brihaspati, Guru Graha, and I think this is a Shani Dev, means the Saturn. These all 9 gods
to the describe the planets. This is a not this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes guys, this is 9. This is the 9 gods to describe the 9 planets. And look, this is a Buddhacharya, this is a Brihaspati, means Jupiter, and this is a Shanidev, means Saturn, and this is the front of the Shukracharya. Shukracharya, and there is another one. This is a Chandradita, means moon god, the sun. This is Bhim Devta, means the Mangal Graha, means the Mars planet, and this is a Rahu. And look like this temple inside. And guys, now we are go out of that site, and we are first at lock of this lock of this gate. And guys, this is another one temple. This is a Radha Krishna, and this is temple. Look, and this is the Parshuram, and this is the I think Saptashringi Mata, and here is the Mahadev temple. This is a Bajrang Bali, and this is a Mahadev temple. Look. And guys, look this full area of this temple. And I think people don't know of this side temple, guys, because I seen first time this temple, guys. And guys, literally I come the first time of this temple because I seen of that site when I go there. And guys, now I come of the first time of this temple. And also Jalnagar, you know of this temple, so also guys comment now. And guys, now we are come to the bus stand area, but I have work. That's when I go to the Pani base. And guys, now we are come to the shoe shop to take the Woodland shoes. And guys, I come here. This is the only one shop. They tell me to have the Woodland shoes. And guys, oh. And guys, now we are come to the Jalna's market. I find the Woodland shoes, but like here I see the Woodland shoes, but this is a copy of Woodland shoes. This is not original. And I find the pure Woodland. And so guys, stay tuned in my vlog. And so guys, back in vlog. So guys, now we are going to the small tour of our Jalna city. And guys, I tell you one experience for the today's day. When guys, I go to the there's Navgraha temple, that side. And guys, when I go of that temple, I stand in front of that temple. And guys, I shoot the this temple, and my right hand side has a one home, and I shoot the proper of the temple, what of this temple and which of this temple. I take the information. And guys, my right side has a one home, and there is a window in my front. And guys, there is a one grandmother to see me. I see the temple, and I literally see in my right side. Hi guys, very shocked guys, because this grandmother see me indirectly. Literally guys, I shocked in 1 minute, and I continued my vlogging. And the grandmother was come out of the home and say me, what you do? I tell I am a blogger. I shoot this temple. Which of this temple? What is this temple? I take the information. I tell that grandmother, and then they say me they told me the information of that temple. And also guys, when you take the camera front of you, and the people was scared, because they think, why are you shoot of this site, and why are you shoot of this area?
because the people they are scared. And I think don't scare. I just a blogger and shoot of this temple. And guys, this is the only one moment of my life. And this is the only one moment I told you guys. This is the so many moments what's happened with me guys when I shoot my vlogs. The people think of what I do and what I do here and what I shoot of that place and what I shoot of this place. The people was scared. Then I told don't scare. I'm just a normal vlogger. I shoot only this side. And guys, this is so many experience happens with me guys. And obviously guys, anyone was scared because the why you shoot of their area, their home area, why you shoot. And guys, also I not shoot of their home area, I shoot of the front of that temple. And guys, literally I scared the 1 minute when the I see the window. I shoot like this and I literally see in that side. And I scared guys because there the grandmother see me and there the come out and tell me why are you shoot. Then I telling that I'm YouTuber and that I work to here. And guys, this is only one thing I told you. This is so many things happen with me guys, and so funny moments will also happen with me when I shoot guys. And also I don't tell in the camera guys because I shoot of that side and that I can't remember guys to tell the in camera. And this is the only one thing. This is the I told you guys of today's. And also guys, by the way, I am in my school round to have a small work. And guys, now I go to the home. And also guys, stay tuned in my vlog. And so guys, back in vlog. So guys, now we are go to the market. And guys, now I come home and take a small break. And guys, now I go to meet my friend. And so guys, now I go to meet my friend. And guys, now I go to the home. And I think so rain was come because the cloud was come and small drops come out.